Welcome to day 1637 of What's She Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey as I transitioned from business journey from brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business and back and forth. Today we're talking about sweetening the kitty, and we're using and sharing the Lifeline exercise, which we've covered dozens of times, at least a couple dozen times so far in the Get Up and Go challenge and the annual BU 365-day challenge. So today we talked about the importance of, and the way you can make your biggest contribution to the world is actually to be 100% uniquely yourself. Set the example by being yourself, unapologetically being yourself. Now, be yourself as long as it doesn't harm other people, right? If you're an evil person, maybe you shouldn't be yourself. Maybe you should be a better version of yourself. But I shared a card that says I freely express who I am. And we need to uniquely and freely express who we are, because that gives other people permission to do the same. And then for our exercise today, we just are adding the contribution area and aspect of our life to our lifeline. And looking for those relationships, those ahas, those insights into ourselves and what makes us tick, what triggers us, what causes us to want to contribute more to the world and to our life, what causes us to shrink and not want to be engaged as much. We want to know those things so that we can continue to improve and live our life to the best of our ability. And then for Supersize Your Business, our expression was to sweeten the kitty. It's kind of a contribution because we're contributing more to the pot, the jackpot, the financial aspects of something. So I talked about 5+ different ways to do that for your business with different areas and different aspects of our business. And it's really a lot simpler than people think it is. It's treating people the way you want to be treated, treating them with respect and love and dignity and kindness and appreciation, just like you would expect to be treated in most areas and aspects of your life, but especially in our businesses. We want people to partner with us and affiliate with us and promote our products and services and buy our products and services, and our employees to do a good job representing our products and services. We have to find ways, and some of those are financial. Not all. A lot of businesses, a lot of companies believe that all they have to do is give you a good salary, a decent benefits package, and you'll be happy. Yet they have festering, sick, manipulative, horrible work cultures that suck the life out of people. There's industries that just suck the life out of me. And no matter how much money I made in them, and there was a lot of money to be made in some of those industries, it didn't feel good to me, and I didn't stay in those industries for that long. Got a taste of it, figured out the things I didn't want to do in my other businesses, and learned that lesson and moved on. So I talked about how do you add incentives for employees, how do you add incentives for partners or affiliates, etc. And again, if we treat people the way we want to be treated, they're more than happy usually to do business with us. All right, that's all I've got today. I am nursing a cold. Ever since I had COVID in end of 2019, every time I get a little bit of a cold or a head thing, I get this terrible hacking cough. And so I got some cough pearls and they're helping, but for the most part, I talk as quickly as I can so that I don't hack up a lung. It sounds like I'm hacking up a lung. If I can help you in any way, please ask. Otherwise, have an awesome day and week ahead, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.